see it up there every year, and I love it.
Thank you.
What's the story on it?
Well, I bought that 55 in 13 at that Lambrick auction in Nebraska.
The yellow one in there?
Yeah, that one, that guy that had them 500 trade-ins, never sold a trade-in. So that got to be, I've always wanted a 55 Chevy, straight axle gasser. And so I bought that, and it ended up being such a rare car that it had to go back to all original. So here I am, I got my 55 and still don't. So I'm sitting here at the Nationals with that in 15 and seeing stuff like this go by. It's like, man, I gotta build a gasser. And so I looked for a 55, couldn't really find one. And my buddy calls me and he says, hey, I got a 57 Shell I'm getting ready to put on eBay. You want it? And so I went and looked at it, and it was not a gasser, but it was an X-drag car, sat down low. It was just a black shell. And so I told my wife, I said, well, I guess we're building a 57 gasser. So yeah, they built it from the ground up. It's just what we had envisioned, and it just come to life. So.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. It got out of hand though, because I was originally intended on building something I could go over there with.
Yeah.
And now you can't. You can't take the chance of somebody hitting it or you wrecking it. You know. So.
Yeah. How long has the car been done?
18. I brought it here for the first time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people like it. Anytime I've gone by it at the show, there's always a big crowd.
There's a lot of photos of it, I think.
Oh yeah,
so.
it's popular. Super nice.
Thank you very much.
What color you call that?
You know, there's no color to this car. It is a maroon base coat. Everybody thinks there's candies, there's this or that, but it's a maroon base coat with red metal flake and clear. That's all it is. And there's 12 pounds of flake in this paint and 16 coats of clear. So,
oh, it's loaded with flake.
And the whole underside's the same way.
Yep.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, gorgeous car.
And then you've seen the front end tilted.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's kind of the signature of this car, because you know, with the hood gap and everything, it looks like that hood should open. So that's kind of what we intended, was I wanted a 60s gasser with a few neat tricks to it, so that's what happened.
Great looking car.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I'm going to get this one out and head up to the hill.
All righty.
You have a great day. Just
Thank you.
Today.